Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel, a place where all future millionaires come to get inspired. I am here today with my princess, Araceli.
Hi everyone.
Hello, what do you want to say with that, viewers?
That
Look at the camera.
Today we're at home and we only just came back from school now.
Wow, and how was school today?
Good.
School was good. All right, so we want to do a tour of the house, right?
Yeah.
So Araceli will be going around telling us where we are and exactly where things are, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right. Let's shoot off. So where are we now?
In the dining room.
We are in the dining room. Okay. So this is a dining table. And who can we see here in the dining room? Is that mommy there?
Yeah, in the living room.
And mommy is in the living room. So, yep. Do you like this dining room? So what normally happen here?
We usually eat here.
Usually eat in the dining area here. And then you go over to your dining room. Is that where you watch the TV?
Mm-hmm.
So what do you do in the dining room here?
We usually watch the TV here.
The dining room looks beautiful, isn't it?
Or relax here.
Or relax here. Oh, really? And where are you heading off to?
The kitchen.
You're heading off to the kitchen.
Yeah.
Right. So what's up in the kitchen?
So in the kitchen we usually do the dishes. Mommy usually cooks here and get a snack from in here.
Is that the pantry?
Yeah.
Is that where they keep all the breakfast things?
Yeah.
Ooh, that's a lot. It's like a shop, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
What's this one? All sort of medication and almost everything that you need for breakfast and more. Okay.
This is the corridor.
Is that the corridor?
Yeah.
Coming into the house?
Mm-hmm.
That looks beautiful, isn't it?
So we've got the upstairs.
And we have upstairs. Yeah. So that's Araceli talking upstairs. So what's happening upstairs?
The first door to go upstairs is the bathroom.
Right. So where are you now? In the bathroom?
Yeah.
Okay. Is there anybody else in the bathroom?
No.
So it's empty. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So here is the bathroom. It's very clean and neat, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So that's your bathroom, clean and neat, and bright and shiny. That's shiny.
And then we got the storage.
Ooh, it looks like all the toiletries are here.
Yeah.
Okay. Ooh, a lot of toiletries we've got in the storage. Lots of
And then the next room is Jaden's room.
Ooh, Jaden's room. Where is Jaden?
What do you call this?
Ooh, that's a tripod. That tripod, that's where they put the camera on and then talk. And if you open that t-shirt, what's written behind it? Open the back, let's see. What's written behind the t-shirt?
Terry Forge.
Terry Forge, and that is the name of Daddy's YouTube
videos.
The YouTube channel. That's the name of my channel. And at the front, they have Daddy's logo for his channel. And
so subscribe.
Yep.
Subscribe, share. This is Terry Forge again.
Yeah. So the TF is Terry Forge. Subscribe and share to Terry Forge channel.
Yeah.
Brilliant. So that's a tripod. That's what we use in recording the videos. And this is Jaden's room, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And Dad, we have your room, Daddy. Share with Mommy and Aaron.
So room. And what's Jaden doing here? You've been caught, isn't it, Jaden? You've been busted. Can you stand up? Yep. Room. And that's the big room, the biggest room in the house.
And then we have
looks beautiful.
We have my room.
And it's written right at the door. girls only. So is daddy allowed in?
No.
Okay, so if daddy's not allowed in, I'm not coming in except you give me permission.
Yes, you can come in.
Can I?
Yes.
Okay, coming.
You're only videoing, so yeah.
Yeah, okay, because we are videoing. So what's this down here?
My laundry basket.
Yeah, laundry basket. So what else do you have in your room now?
I have my bed, my stuff for
What
school,
a beautiful
my
princess
uniforms.
bed. Yeah, uniform, your stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And in here, I have stuffed coloring stuff.
Ooh, is that where you keep your little coloring stuff?
Yeah.
Okay, so apart from studying in the living area, you also do some little coloring in your room.
Yeah.
Jaden?
Oh.
Yeah.
And then we go back downstairs and we've got the other corridor.
So we're shooting back downstairs?
Yeah.
Okay. So where are we heading to now?
The living room.
Back to the living room. Okay. Now
Yeah.
who's sleeping? Aaron? Is that
Mhm.
Aaron sleeping?
Yeah.
So we've got some picture over there. Is that Jaden's picture?
And
no, that's
me.
Yep, the school picture. Jaden, say hello, viewers. Hello.
What's your favorite sport? You like playing? I love playing football.
He loves playing football.
Okay, that's good. And what is your favorite sport, Arasani?
I have no favorite sport.
So which one do you do?
I love doing gymnastics.
Really? So that's very good, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So we've come to the end of the home tour. Is there anything you want to say before we go?
Please like and subscribe and share to Daddy's videos.
Right. Okay. Thank you very much. And we will see this one. And I'm here with Araceli and we say
Bye.
bye.